Good morning children, welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, I will yesterday homework problems I will explain once. First question, I given yesterday 3 problems. First question solution. The given cost of 1 liter of milk. How much given? 42 rupees to 42 2 by 5 rupees. So then what we have to find? Cost of 12 1 by 2 liters of milk. Cost of 12 1 by 2 liters of milk. So 1 liter cost how much given? 42 2 by 5 into 12 1 by 2. So 42 into 5 plus 2 by 5 into 12 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 by 2. 212 by 5 into 25 by 2. 5 1s are 5 5s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 zeros are 2 6 are. So 106 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5. So how much? 530 rupees. 530 rupees. This is first question answer. In second question, what they asked in second question, a cord of length 82 1 by 2 meters has been cut into 30 pieces of equal length. So what is the length of each piece? So second question, given total length of cord, how much given? 82 1 by 2 meters. Number of pieces cut. How many pieces? 30 equal pieces. So therefore length of each piece. Length of each piece. What we have to do? Total length divided by number of pieces. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. What you will get? 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Divided by 30. 165 by 2 into 30 reciprocal 1 by 30. So if you simplify this one, 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 3 11s are. So 11 by 2 2s are 4. So 11 by 4 meters. Each length of piece length is 11 by 4 meters. Next last question. Third question. Third question, simplify. 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 4 divided by 1 4 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. See 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 4 into 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 7 into 1 plus 4 by 7 of means into 8 into 2 plus 5 by 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 divided by 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 by 7 into 8 2s are 16 plus 5, 21 by 8. 11 3s are 33, 4 2s are 8 divided by 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22 plus 1 23, 7 8s are 56. So 33 by 8 into reciprocal of 56 by 231. 8 ones are 8 sevens are 11 threes are 11 twos are 22, 11 ones are 11, 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So answer 1. Answer 1. So these are yesterday's homework problems. Once you check it, if you did wrong, once you write it again. So today I will do some more examples, word problems. This is textbook problem only. 44. Textbook problem, 44th problem. Find the perimeter of triangle. Find the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Whose length of sides are sides are 3 1 by 3 centimeters, 4 2 by 3 centimeters, 2 1 by 5 centimeters. So what they given? Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides measurements they given. We have to find the perimeter of triangle. So solution. Given lengths of 3 sides. Given lengths of 3 sides. 3 1 by 3. 4 2 by 3. 2 1 by 5 centimeters. So we have to find perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. We know last year perimeter of triangle formula, sum of lengths of all sides. Sum of lengths of 3 sides. So what we have to do? We have to add 3 sides measurements. 1 by 5 centimeters. So mixed fractions we can convert into improper. Otherwise whole parts we can add, after remaining also we can add. Like that also we can do. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 by 3. 3 4s are plus 5 into 2 plus 1 by 5. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Plus 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 centimeters. So 10 by 3 plus 11 by 3. These both are like fractions. We can add first these two. 10 plus 14 by 3 plus 11 by 5. So 10 plus 14, how much we will get? 24. 24 by 3 plus 11 by 5. So now these are unlike fractions. We have to find LCM of 3 5. 3 5s are 15. So 24 by 3 into 5 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 and 12 by 15. 11 by 5 into 3. 11 3s are 33 by 15. So 120 by 15 plus 33 by 15. 120 plus 33 by 15. 153 by 15. So if you convert into mixed fraction, 15 tens are 150, remainder 3 you will get 10, 3 by 15 centimeters. This is the answer, perimeter of triangle. So we will discuss some more problems in next class. Thank you.